Hello again and welcome to this new video on building user interface for robotic control. Today's video will focus more on the fundamental requirement to start this lesson so that you can practice each step to increase your skills to join the global trend, the robotic development. With the rapid acceleration of robotic development, many experts from around the world are working incredibly hard to develop and deploy the next generation of robots. Which will be more intelligent, capable of solving a wide range of problems. So basically, it is a lot of fun working with robots, especially developing software that communicate with a real hardware like robot can make a beginner excited. I was quite excited when I built my first user interface software to control hardware in 2006. I was like, wow, is this real? So in this lesson, we want you to have the impression that it is finally time to start working on your ideal project. And I believe at the end of this lesson, you will begin to have confidence on building a real-life application for robotic control. So before we get started with this lesson, we want to encourage our viewers, if possible, to have some electronic component as prerequisite and some development environment software available for practice to enjoy this lesson. So the first software we are recommending for our viewer is visualstudio.net. You can visit their official website, visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs/ and download and install the software. Then we and Arduino IDE software, which you can also get it from their official website, arduino.cc/en/software. And then some electronics component, which one of them we have the ultrasonic sensor for the range measurement. So we want to use it for the object avoidance systems. Then the motor and set of wheels, and then the motor driver module, so you can get it available. Also, we want to use it to drive to the interface with the Arduino and as well as the motors in order to control the motors, speed control of the motor. We want to use servo motor as well in this project so that to be maybe rotating the ultrasonic 180 degree in order to monitor the object ahead. We also want to use Arduino Uno as well as Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module is going to be used for the communication between the car and the computer system, or between the car and the mobile devices, so that when we build software on the computer systems and as well as the mobile apps, we should be able to utilize the software in order to communicate with the robotic car. So basically that is what we are going to maybe we recommend for our users to get available for practice in this lesson. So thank you, and see you in the next video. So finally, we want you to have something of this nature if possible, or maybe in any form, depend on the component you get source available around you. We can also help you to source the component if you find it difficult to get some of the component, then practice. So if you have any question, you can always send us a feedback, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.